In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run HTML code from Visual Studio Code. So this is really simple. Just open your HTML code in Visual Studio Code. After that, here you will see this icon. Just click on this icon. Then here in the search option, you need to search for open in browser. And once you search for open in browser, you will see something like this. Just click on it. And here you can see we have the install button here. Click on install and it will be installed. After that, we can just directly close this. And I'm just going to click here. And here you can see right now I am in index.html. So now if I just right click on my mouse, it will show us an option. Here you can see open in other browser, open in default browser. So if I now click in open in other browser, it will show us all the browser that is installed in my device. So I'm going to select Google Chrome, click on it, and our HTML file will open on Google Chrome. So this is how you can run HTML file from Visual Studio Code. I hope this was useful. Be sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.